If you're feeling the heat this summer, I've got two cool treats for you. I've got Nutella Popsicles and Nutella Ice Cream on deck today. So stay tuned and learn how to make these beautifully chillin' treats. So the first thing we're going to make is our Nutella Popsicles. It's ridiculously easy. It's only 4 ingredients. You've got your heavy cream, your milk, your condensed milk, and we're literally going to put them all in a blender. And of course, our last ingredient, but not least, is the Nutella. We're just going to blitz these up until all the ingredients are well blended together. You'll see that it becomes one uniform color, and we will just add these to our popsicle molds. And as shown earlier, I got these popsicle molds off of Amazon. You can get a similar mold if you like the type that can be separated individually. So these are just going to be popped into the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours or overnight, so it's just a waiting game. Now on to making our ice cream. We're going to take 2 cups of heavy cream and pour it into the bowl of a stand mixer. With the whisk attachment, we're just going to whip this on medium speed for roughly about 6 minutes until we reach stiff peaks and the cream has tripled in size. Once that's done, we're going to add our condensed milk and also our Nutella. You may need to increase the speed, and you're just going to whip this until all the ingredients have combined. Now I got these cute little cups. If you see my last video, I did pick these up from the dollar store. They come with lids and they're perfect for ice cream if you are making ice cream at home. So these little ice cream containers go into the freezer for at least 4 hours if you want a soft serve consistency. 4 hours is a good time. Now when I went back in the freezer, there was only 1 left. So a teenager over here can testify that these are so good. He went to town on most of them. So a few hours later, the popsicles were ready to go. The simplest way to remove these is to immerse them in some warm water, and they will come out clean. Now all that's left here is to enjoy the fruits of your labor, even if it was minimal labor at that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you give these recipes a try. If you like this content, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.
Yummy. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like
I like this.
I love it.
Yeah, I'm a fan.
I told you. Want one for the house. Want one for home.
It's either a car or an ice cream maker. What do you want?
Ice cream maker wins.
What do you want for Christmas, hon?
An ice cream maker.